The body has a built-in system for eliminating poisons that accumulate. In our food, drink, and even the air we breathe, there may be toxins present. Experts advise following a detox diet to support your body's natural systems due to high levels of toxins. Restoring the body to its natural state of equilibrium through detoxification aids the liver's optimal functioning. It will improve your mood and lessen your chance of becoming frequently ill from excessive toxin levels. Here are some things you can do to remove toxins from your body naturally. 1. Avoid potentially toxic substances. It's crucial to reduce or completely get rid of toxins that you have control over if you want to detox your body naturally. You should refrain from drinking alcohol and coffee, for example. Reduce your intake of alcohol and caffeine before cutting them off completely. It's also bad for you to use tobacco. Without the unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, you will gradually feel how it helps. To prevent the chemicals, preservatives, and additives present in packaged, processed foods from entering your body, you must avoid consuming them. Foods packaged in cans, bags, or cartons should also be avoided. Don't even think about consuming any sugar or artificial sweeteners, because they contribute to toxic buildup, mostly in the brain and neurological system. Reduce your life's stress at the same time. Toxin levels rise when your body is under stress. Your body will be able to detoxify more easily if you have less stress in your life. 2. Drink lemon water to start your day. Start each day with a glass of lemon water to reduce the number of toxic substances in your body. Lemon's citric acid aids in detoxification. Lemon juice helps the liver produce bile by taking on the characteristics of the digestive secretions found in the stomach. Your gastrointestinal tract functions more smoothly when you produce more bile. The pH level of your body is even made alkaline by the lemon, strengthening your body's resistance to numerous ailments. Half a lemon's juice should be squeezed into a glass of clean, warm water to make lemon water. If you like, add some raw honey to it. On an empty stomach, consume it first thing in the morning. After 30 minutes, consume your meal. 3. Sip a lot of water. All of your major organs need water to function properly since it aids in every bodily metabolic activity. Additionally, water helps your body remove pollutants. In fact, water aids in the removal of toxins-filled feces from your body. Each time you use the restroom, your body is able to get rid of hazardous pollutants when your digestive and intestine systems are in good shape. Try to consume 8 to 10 glasses of clean water daily. Depending on the weather and your level of exercise, you might need to drink more or less on any given day. Drink a glass of water that has been stored in a copper container every morning on an empty stomach to promote improved detoxification and to keep your digestive system in good shape. To determine whether your body is getting enough water, always look at the color of your urine. You've had enough fluids if your pee is clear. 4. Have some green tea. Change to green tea instead of normal coffee to aid with detoxing. Antioxidants included in green tea aid in the body's detoxification. This is because they increase the production of glutathione, an antioxidant and carrier that helps the body get rid of dangerous pollutants. Additionally, polyphenols, a class of micronutrients found in green tea, produce hormones that help the body burn fat. This healthy tea also aids in weight loss by helping the body break down substances. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day if possible. Change to different herbal teas with detoxifying effects if you get tired of drinking green tea. 5. Savor cleansing smoothies. Adding spinach, kale, beetroot, apples, oranges, pears, kiwis, pineapple, avocado, alfalfa sprouts, and ginger to green smoothies is a terrific way to improve your diet's health. Additionally, you can add various berries, nuts, and seeds to it. Green smoothies are beneficial for detox since they aid in the elimination of harmful waste from the digestive system. All of the ingredients in these smoothies support healthy digestion and are bursting with antioxidants that aid in the removal of toxins from your body. 6. Workout. Your body may remove toxins from your body via sweating. Sweating aids in the removal of harmful poisons and excess salt from the body. Regular exercise is the best way to increase sweating. You strengthen your lungs and stimulate the passage of air when you exercise for at least 30 minutes each day. This strengthens your heart while continuously pumping toxins out of the body. Get up and move every day to aid detoxification naturally. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.